My name is Pooja Bhosle, currently working as Assistant Professor with AISSMS CHMCT. The topic that I'm going to be covering in this PPT is procedure for taking reservations using reservation forms, convention charts, density charts, booking diary with their detailed working and formats. The term reservation used in the context of hotel means the booking of reserving of a room accommodation by a guest. Reservations lead to reserving of a particular type of room for a particular guest for a given period of time. It also gives the guest the first impression of the hotel. The reservations department uses a manual reservation system using a specially designed form to record the reservation transactions. This helps prevent any ambiguity in the information generated during the reservation process. The reservation form contains information like the personal data of the guest, stay dates, mode and time of arrival and departure, number and types of rooms, mode of settlement, guaranteed details, special requests, etc. Using a reservation form will have a certain number of advantages to it also. Using a reservation form has the following advantages. It provides a permanent record. It helps to summarize data generated while processing reservation request, and it helps the management to ascertain the person who handled the reservation request. The conventional chart is also known as the advance letting chart. The chart is prepared for each month, so only 12 such charts are required for 1 year. The room number and the room category is mentioned in one column, and there are 28 to 31 more columns depending upon the number of days in the month. The name of the guest is written in between days of their stay, the arrival and departure indicated by arrow symbols respectively. Disadvantages of advance letting chart or a conventional chart. There are problems in case of long guest names and short stays. The chart becomes untidy in the case of cancellation and amendment. It is use is limited to medium-sized hotels. Counting of availability of room is difficult. No overbooking can be taken. Specific rooms are pre-assigned to guests, which creates a problem in case of overstay or understay. Standard density chart. A standard density chart was developed to overcome the problems and drawbacks of a conventional chart. A density chart is prepared for each category of room for the duration of 1 month. The vertical column indicates the date and the horizontal column represents individual rooms. An identification mark is put in appropriate boxes to indicate a reservation. The minus sign indicates that one can take overbooking using the density chart. Advantages of the density chart over the conventional chart. Long names and short stay problems are resolved as one does not have to enter names. The chart remains tidy in case of cancellation and amendments. Large hotels may also use this system. Counting of available rooms is easy. Overbooking can be taken. Booking diary. This is a manual system of reservation. As the name suggests, in this system of a daily diary is kept in which the reservation agent lists all arrivals due on a particular day. It is usually kept on a loose leaf basis. The top page represents arrivals on the current day. This is removed and sent to the front desk for receiving the guest. A new blank sheet is added at the back of the diary to record the reservations on a new day. The hotel booking diary may be hardbound also. The format of a diary is the one which is shown in the image. The diary system of reservation is only suitable for very small properties. Whitney system of reservation. This system of room reservation, developed by the American Whitney Duplicating Check Company, is suitable for small and medium properties with up to 150 rooms. It is based on the use of standard size slips known as Whitney slips or Shannon slips, which can be held on a metallic carrier or a Whitney rack. The slips may be color coded to identify the status of the guest like FIT, group, crew, VIP, commercially important person, etc. The top line of the slips contain essential information like date of arrival and departure, name of the guest, room type, and rate, as this part remains visible after placing the slip in the metallic carrier. The Whitney rack system uses racks that are vertically mounted on the walls. It requires a total of 43 racks, out of which 31 racks are kept for the current month, 11 racks are kept for the next 11 months of the year, and the 1 rack for the next year. The 31 racks are arranged as per the date of the month. As soon as a reservation request is received, the reservation is processed, Whitney slips are made in duplicate, and the original placed in the Whitney rack. Advantages of the Whitney rack reservation system. Booking can be kept in order of the date of arrival. Booking records may be arranged in alphabetical order. The racks and carried can be used over and over again. The running expense is only of the slips. The Whitney racks are placed vertically, saving storage space. Thank you. Kindly attempt the quiz. The link is given below in the description.